So Apple today just dropped their brand new app called Invites. This has been rumored for a little bit of time now. It's available in the App Store, and this is meant to help you invite, plan, and create, well, invitations to different events, birthday parties, outings, whatever the scenario might be. It has Apple Intelligence baked in and certain features there. It is an iCloud Plus service, so you do need to have a subscription for that. But if you're interested, it's available now. Let's take a quick first look at this app. Let's go. As you can see here, this is the App Store app information in regards to the Invites app. And the actual description says, create unique invitations and bring people together for life's most exciting moments. Customize the background of your invitation with a photo from your library or choose an emoji background to bring your event to life. Easily see who is attending and make sure you never miss a moment by adding a shared album directly to the event. Whether you're attending an event or hosting one yourself, Invites makes it easy to get the party started, and then a full breakdown of how to create beautiful invitations, invite and manage RSVPs, and the requirements to use this app. And this is one call out that Apple Invites is available for all iPhone models running iOS 18 or later, but the ability to collaborate with Apple Music playlists requires an Apple Music subscription. And then anyone can, though, reply to invitations, but creation of invitations requires an iCloud Plus subscription. So knowing all those details, let's launch this app for the first time. And as you can see here, it says, welcome to Apple Invites. We receive an invitation, tap the link you were sent to see the details, or if you just got the app like we did, continue to explore or set up your first event. You can say continue, and this app looks very well thought out with their new design language, showing you some examples of these event invites that have went out. If you want to go ahead and create an event, let's go ahead and say add a background here. And you can see the pre-made emoji ones. If you wanted to do like a little beach theme here, you can do that. Event title, let's just say let's say day at the beach, and change the font a little bit. Make the date and time February 8th at 6 sounds good here. We'll say done. You can add a location if you want. You can see it's hosted by me. You can create a shared album then if you'd like, or share an Apple Music playlist, just like we said. Hypothetically, say if this is it and this is how you're ready to go, you can preview it right here and see exactly what it looks like. People can respond directly from these event invites, as you can see with going, not going, or maybe. And then you can say next if you're ready to create it, and it will generate the new image for you. And you can see here, once you create it, you can invite with public link through messages, mail, share the link directly, or copy the link. You can approve guests and invite individuals if you want to directly add them right here. You do have a different settings option here for additional guests, approve guests, removing the background preview, or for accessibility, background image description to help other people that might not be able to see it clearly. You then also do have event management, where you can duplicate the event, cancel the event, pause replies, or delete it altogether. Since we don't need it, we're going to go ahead and say delete event. And now this is all gone, and we can create a new event from scratch again. If you go into here, if you didn't want to use emojis, you have photographic style wallpapers or backgrounds or straight up colors by default in the app here. So for a birthday party, if you wanted to use photogenic, there you go. You have a picture of a cake with candles on it, and it's rinse and repeat. This seems very nice. I don't know why they locked it into an Apple Plus or a iCloud Plus subscription. However, this will be very useful for people wanting to create event invites, especially nowadays where 90% of the invites go out via emails or digitally rather than sending hard copies out. I think this is a great addition here. I don't know why necessarily Apple felt the need to create a new app for it. It's very rare where Apple will do these things, but for some reason they felt that this is a good opportunity to create a new account. But yeah, that's it for a quick first look at the Invites app. Let us know down below, are you going to be getting this app and using it? I'm very curious for your guys' thoughts. Let us know, do you send invites out like this? Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.